The vessel is identified as MV Cueva, who is close approaching at the port of Busan, South Korea. Port service. This is MV Cueva. How do you read me? Over.
MV Cueva, this is port service. I read you good. Change to channel 1, 2, over.
Port service. This is MV Cueva. Change to channel 1, 2, over.
MV Cueva, this is port service. What is your ETA at pilot station? Over.
Port service. My ETA at pilot station is at 2200 hours. Local time. Over.
MV Cueva, what is your call sign? Over.
Port service. My call sign is Delta Whiskey Kilo Echo 7. Over.
MV Cueva, what is your last port of call and gross tonnage? Over.
Port service. My last port of call was Canada and my gross tonnage is 49255. Over.
MV Cueva, are you carrying dangerous goods? Over.
Port service. We do not carry dangerous goods. Over.
MV Cueva, your message is loud and clear. You must call when you pass the Boy Delta Romeo 4 on channel 1, 2, over.
Port service. We will call when we pass Boy Delta Romeo 4 on channel 1, 2, over.
MV Cueva, standby on channel 1, 2, out.
Port service. This is MV Cueva, channel 1, 2, over.
MV Cueva, this is port service. I read you loud and clear. Go ahead, over.
Port service. We are passing reporting point Delta at 2115 hours local time. Over.
MV Cueva, I read you loud and clear. You must call when you berth at Pier 3. Over.
Port service. We read you loud and clear. We will call when we berth at Pier 3. Over. Port service. This is MV Cueva. Over.
MV Cueva, this is port service. Go ahead, over.
Port service. We drop anchor at pilot station Western Delta bearing 275. Over.
MV Cueva, I read you loud and clear. Standby at channel 1, 2 for next instruction. Over. MV Cueva, this is port service. Over.
Port service. This is MV Cueva. Proceed. Over.
MV Cueva, you can now proceed to Pier 3 at 2210 local time. Over.
Port service. We read you loud and clear. We will wait until the pilot arrives and proceed to Pier 3. Over.
MV Cueva, standby on channel 1, 2, over.
Port service. We will stand by at channel 1, 2, out.